If you've been needing some simple dinner inspiration that doesn't leave a mountain of dishes behind, today's video is full of easy one-pot meals that have been on repeat in our home lately. We're making creamy chicken pasta, homemade burgers, sloppy joes on fresh whole wheat buns, and a cozy chicken and gravy dinner over mashed potatoes. These are the kinds of meals that feel homemade and comforting without spending all evening in the kitchen. So let's get started on the first dinner of the week. Tonight's dinner is a creamy one-pot chicken pasta, and this one is always a favorite because it comes together so quickly and tastes so good. I started by cubing up some chicken breast and seasoning it with paprika, Italian seasoning, and seasoned salt. Then I added it to a frying pan with a little oil and cooked it until golden and fully cooked through. Once the chicken was done, I set it aside on a plate while I started the sauce. In the same pan, I melted some butter and sprinkled in flour to make a quick roux. Then I slowly whisked in chicken broth until everything thickened up and became smooth and creamy. You could also replace some of the chicken broth with some whipping cream, but my family prefers this recipe without it. Once the broth was simmering, I added the dry pasta right into the pan and let it cook directly in the sauce. This is one of my favorite ways to make pasta because it keeps things simple and gives the pasta so much flavor. After the pasta was tender, I stirred in grated Parmesan cheese and added the chicken back into the pan. This meal is creamy, cozy, and perfect for busy evenings when you want something comforting without a lot of cleanup. Next up, I made homemade burgers in the frying pan using some simple ingredients I already had on hand. Into a bowl, I added ground beef, garlic powder, seasoned salt, onion powder, and 1 egg. I mixed everything together until just combined and then formed the mixture into burger patties. I cooked them in a hot frying pan until browned on both sides and cooked through in the center. Earlier in the week, I had made a batch of homemade whole wheat buns, so we used those for both our burgers and another meal later in the week. There's just something so good about homemade buns with burgers. It makes a really simple dinner feel extra cozy and homemade. For another easy dinner this week, I made sloppy joes using those same homemade whole wheat buns. I started by browning some ground beef in a frying pan. Once it was cooked through, I added garlic powder, onion powder, ketchup, mustard, Worcester sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. I let everything simmer together for a few minutes until the sauce thickened slightly and coated the beef. These sloppy joes are one of those meals that come together so quickly but also hits the spot. They're sweet but savory, comforting, and perfect for a busy night. And serving them on homemade buns with some veggies on the side made them even better. The last dinner of the week was this cozy one-pot chicken and gravy served over mashed potatoes. I started by slicing some chicken breasts in half lengthwise to make them thinner and sprinkling them with some seasoned salt. I melt butter in a pan and whisk in flour to create the base for the gravy. Then I slowly added chicken broth while whisking until smooth. For seasoning, I added garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, thyme, paprika, salt, and pepper. Once the gravy came to a boil, I added in chicken breast. Then I covered everything with a lid and let the chicken simmer gently in the gravy until it was to temperature and had fully cooked through. Mine took about 12 minutes, but the timing will depend on how thick your chicken is. Just make sure it comes out at 165 degrees Fahrenheit on a meat thermometer. I also took some frozen vegetables and tried to elevate them just a little by roasting them in the oven with some olive oil and a bit of this garlic plus seasoning. They turned out very tasty. I served it all over mashed potatoes that slowly cooked in the crock pot all day, and it turned into such a comforting meal. This is definitely one of those dinners that feels cozy and hearty with very little effort. And it heats up really well too, so the leftovers always get eaten. Those were our simple meals from this week. I always love having a few easy dinners like these to fall back on, especially during busy seasons when I still want something homemade on the table. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to subscribe to Batch and Blossom and leave a comment letting me know which meal looked best to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.